Understanding photobomb in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fun and interesting phrase, photobomb. This phrase is commonly used in casual, light-hearted situations. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. A photobomb happens when someone unexpectedly enters the frame of a photograph, often in a funny or surprising way, just as the photo is taken. The person doing this is not usually meant to be in the photograph, and their presence often adds humor or surprise to the image. It's all about timing and spontaneity. The term photobomb has a fairly recent origin. It became popular with the rise of social media and the increasing use of digital cameras and smartphones. It reflects a playful interaction in our everyday photography and is a reflection of modern, casual photography culture. 1. I was trying to take a serious picture, but my brother photobombed it by making a funny face in the background. 2. Look at this photo. We were all smiling, and then a dog just ran into the frame and photobombed us. 3. At the party last night, we kept trying to photobomb each other's selfies for fun. Notice how the phrase can be used both as a verb, to photobomb, and as a noun, a photobomb. While photobombing is generally seen as a playful and harmless act, it's important to be sensitive to the context. It's usually okay among friends and in informal settings, but might not be appropriate in formal or serious situations. We hope you enjoyed learning about the phrase, photobomb, and can now use it confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language learning can be fun and engaging, especially with phrases like these. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.